This is a training session for the DelDOT Right-of-Way Engineering Manual. This presentation is meant to be an overview, and it is recommended that the manual is to be used for design rather than this presentation. Chapter 1 is an introduction to the role of the team support section. Chapter 2 gives guidance on establishing the existing right-of-way mosaic. Chapter 3 is an introduction to the different types of acquisitions. Chapter 4 describes the process to prepare right-of-way plans. Chapter 5 is the team support review process. Chapter 6 is meant for smaller projects that only require an acquisition plat to be prepared. Chapter 7 is the process to develop as-acquired plans. And Chapter 8 is an introduction to different types of agreements. Chapter 1 is an introduction to the Team Support Manual. It consists of the purpose of the manual, the mission statements of DelDOT, the right-of-way section, and team support, an organization chart of the team support section, the procedure for updating the manual, and a glossary of terms and definitions. The purpose of the manual is to standardize the process of DelDOT's team support or right-of-way engineering section to maintain consistency in developing the existing right-of-way mosaic and the proposed acquisitions. The manual represents DelDOT's practices, techniques, and procedures for any new or modified rights-of-way and/or rights-of-way maintained by DelDOT to be applied in developing plans, acquisition plats, legal descriptions, or as acquired plans. The purpose of the manual is not to address the design of any improvement or the real estate section's processes during acquisition. Some figures used in the manual may be from older plans that do not show colorization and current line styles. Please refer to the example plans on the DRC for correct plan preparation. The mission of team support is to provide engineering support to project development, bridge, planning, right-of-way, and other sections as needed for the preparation of complete, accurate, and on-time right-of-way plans that identify property needs for scheduled transportation projects. Team support also ensures the land needed for a project is justified based on engineering need. They provide customer service to the public regarding DelDOT-owned right-of-way and prepare and coordinate town agreements and tax ditch agreements. The team support section is headed by the Chief of Right-of-Way, with the group engineer in charge of right-of-way engineering. There are 4 EPS techs and 2 consultants that perform the duties of the section. From time to time, the manual will need to be updated. Updates will be placed on the Design Resource Center, or DRC. Proposed changes can be suggested using the Right-of-Way Engineering Design Directive form, which can be found on DelDOT's DRC. The glossary contains frequently used terms and their definitions. One of the most common terms in the manual is practitioner. A practitioner is an engineer, surveyor, or technician that performs duties in the preparation of DelDOT projects.